So this is Habitat Restore here in Greenfield off of the 40, or on the 40. So this is pretty nice. I checked these chairs here. They're real sturdy. Nice farm style country, and this thing is really nice. It's only excellent, but they got a lot of table and chairs, a lot of good furniture. And I don't really like this style here, but some patio furniture there. Lots of dressers and plates, books, lots of more dressers, and this sofa's sort of interesting. 182 vintage stripe. It looks comfortable. And yeah, that's a nice little glider. Glider, that's comfortable for the patio. And that's sort of substantial looking, elegant looking chair there. Real sturdy, heavy duty, 52 bucks. Looks to be in really good condition. And yeah, they got some really nice pieces of furniture in here. This one I touched the drawer, it fell off, but they got some older antique styles. This is matching with it, and they had quite a few doors and cabinetry and stuff like that. That's some brand new stuff too. This is all brand new here. Of course, you pay more for brand new stuff, so, but it's still half the price of, I guess, where you'd buy it from the main dealer. But then they got lots of lamps and lighting, chandeliers, nice framed artwork and stuff, and yeah, they got plenty of that stuff too. More lamps back there. Okay, that's a snapshot of this. Looks good.